Alright, so this is 7th grade biology, and today we'll learn a lesson on genetically modified organisms. So, welcome to class, and the past week or so we've been learning about genetics, and today we're going to continue our discussion of genetics, and we're going to learn about genetically modified organisms. Does anyone know what a genetically modified organism is? That's a great answer, Jenny. But we are going to build on that. We're going to watch a video, and in the video, it'll tell us what a genetically modified organism is, and also how scientists make genetically modified organisms. We're going to be doing a project on this where you guys will come up with a plan to make a genetically modified organism. So make sure you take careful notes of what is being discussed in the video. And I'll pause it at the important parts so you can make sure to include it in your notes.
There are different ways plants can be genetically engineered. We'll use the story of China and Hawaii to walk you through one of them.
So from there, we'd watch the video. We would pause it. I would pause it whenever there would need to be, whenever they need to take notes. And then after the video, it'd be back to me giving the lecture. Alright, so what did you guys get from the video? Let's hear some comments. Okay, is there any more comments? Those are great comments. Alright, so now what we're going to do is that we're going to have a project. We're going to break into groups. You guys are going to be working at your individual tables, and each table will be given a different assignment. So in this assignment, it's important that you guys work quickly and efficiently because you will have to come up with your ideas and present them today. What we'll be doing is that you will be working for a company, and each group has a different company they're working for, so you'll be coming up with different organisms. This company wants the ideal organism, and you are going to come up with the traits of the ideal organism. You don't need to know how you're going to come up with this ideal organism, but you have to list what traits will make this an ideal. And we're going to do an example. So the pet store, they want an ideal bunny. What would you think would be perfect for an ideal bunny? Let's hear some comments. Yeah, so you want really soft, you want them to be good with children, you want them to not eat a lot of food, you don't want them to poop. Those are great attributes. So in your different groups, whatever organism, you're going to get instructions from the company, and then you're going to come up with ideas. Before I break you up into groups, it's really important that everybody is included in this assignment. So make sure that everybody takes part in either listing off what they think is an important trait, or drawing out what the organism is, or helping in presenting, or getting your ideas together. Okay, so from there I pass out the papers, and then I go to the different groups where different accommodations need to be met, and talk to the students in the group to make sure that they understand the assignment and that they can work together to meet the needs of those students. At the end, in this they'll be drawing, they'll be thinking ideas, working together. At the end, I'll bring them back together, they'll present their ideas, and after the presentation, then it'll be me again. And okay, students, what did you guys learn? What are the takeaways? So yeah, these traits that you guys listed were better. They gave them better qualities for certain reasons. So I'm going to pass out the exit slip. Your question for the exit slip is, do you think that certain traits in nature are more desirable than other traits? And explain why. So with the exit slip, they will fill out the question. There's a very range of answers. It's more for me to see where the students are coming from, so that I'm able to teach the next lesson, which will be on more instead of the switch from genetics into evolution. All right, and that's the lesson. Thanks.